Welcome to Tween and Teen Cooking. I am Miss Ann. Today's recipe, it's called 2-ingredient bagels. And I found it on YouTube. So at the end of this video, you'll see a link. They're also called 30-minute bagels because they only take 30 minutes. So you will need 1 1/3 cup of self-rising flour, 1 cup of whole milk Greek style yogurt, 2 teaspoons of everything bagel seasoning, sesame seeds, poppy seeds, dried onion flakes, those are all optional. 1 egg white or 2 tablespoons of water is optional. A medium bowl, a countertop, an oven mitts or pot holders, parchment paper, a baking sheet, a basting brush. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. So line your baking sheet with parchment paper and set it aside. In a medium bowl, combine the flour and the yogurt to form a shaggy dough. So we're going to stir in our yogurt. Go ahead and mix it in. You want to have a little extra flour so you could flour your surface. So shaggy, that's what shaggy looks like. So lightly flour your surface. Make sure your surface is clean and your hands are clean. And you're going to take your dough. I'm going to scrape the spoon with my fingers. You can also, should have did this beforehand, flour your fingers too. So we're going to put your dough on your surface. You're going to knead it for 3 to 5 minutes. Let's see. So kneading is like working the dough. You're going to pat it and you flip it. Get the dough off your fingers. Okay. I'm going to call that good. So divide the dough into 4 equal pieces. So that's what I'm going to do. So we're going to put our baking sheet so it's handy. So you're going to take a piece of the dough and you're going to roll each piece of dough into an 8-inch snake and connect the ends to form a loop. Stretch out the hole in the center to form a 2-inch hole. You might want to add a little bit of flour to your hands too. So the dough won't stick. I'm going to say this is good enough. So you're going to do it. It's going to look like a donut. Like that. This piece of dough is just a little bit larger. I'm making a mess. It's not sticking very good. A little bit more flour on my hands. Here we go. Call that good enough? Stretch it just a little bit. There you go. Add some more flour to my hands. You just keep repeating until you have all your dough rolled out like a snake and churn it into like a donut shape. Connect. There we go. That's what they look like. So you take your egg white with the basting brush and then wipe it on your bagels, because this helps to make them shiny, a shiny brown in the oven when they start browning. So that's how bagels get that look. Putting a little extra, put it all over them. Yeah, dropped a little, it's okay. It'll just get crispy around that bagel. Okay. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. This is when you put all your toppings on them. Whatever you would like. On the side. There we go. Now I'm going to add my everything bagel seasoning. This is Mrs. Dash. It's everything but the salt. You can see the bagels are already rising. A little extra. You can't have too much of this stuff on them. And this is what our bagels look like. So we're going to bake them in our preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes until they are golden brown. So make sure you let them cool off a little bit before you eat them. Look at those. They look so nice. They smell delicious. So take your favorite topping, which mine is cream cheese. I'm going to cut one of them so I can try it in front of you. has the air bubbles in the dough, just like a bagel does. They smell so good. It's golden brown at the bottom. This right here is a little bit of the egg white that I was telling you. I'm going to give this recipe a definitely thumbs up. 2 ingredients. The other ingredients, the rest of the ingredients are optional, and it takes about 30 minutes to bake them, and they're delicious. Stay tuned for my next summer Tween and Teen Cooking to Go. Thank you for watching.